What is the sum of two complementary angles? What is the sum of two complementary angles? 90 degrees. How many minutes for 1 degree? 60 minutes. How many minutes for 1 degree? 60 minutes. What is the HCF of 2 to the power of 100 minus 1 and 2 to the power of 120 minus 1? Answer is 2 to the power of 20 minus 1. Which irrational is called Pythagoras number? Root 2. Which irrational is called Pythagoras number? Root 2. What is the base of common logarithm? 10. What is the base of common logarithm? 10. What is the volume conversion for 1 cubic meter? 1 cubic meter equal 1000 liters. Who authored the historical text Ganitasara Sangraha? Who authored the historical text Ganitasara Sangraha? Mahaviracharya. Mahaviracharya. How many common tangents can be drawn when two circles touch internally? Only one tangent can be drawn. What is the formula for the total surface area of a hemisphere? What is the formula for the total surface area of a hemisphere? 3 pi r square. What is the area formed by 3 collinear points? What is the area formed by 3 collinear points? Area equal 0.